Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It is your boy Big John and I'm here today to show you how you are going to be able to pass any prop firm account. All of the data is here to make sure you can understand why this is possible. Now, if you haven't already joined my free Telegram group where I am giving out gold analysis every single week, this is the group here and you can see I have pinned any of my gold analysis for you to be able to take trades. Also, I've done 2 Zoom calls last week, even breaking down these same said trades, and this was actually a winner in the market right over here when price action pulled back to this supply area and sold. If you want to see the Zoom call before any of this did happen, you can just see the link right up above here on the right of the screen to get any further information about that and learn how to trade that gold trading strategy. Now let's get into this. This is the NEO VIP group here, and using the NEO indicator expert advisor with this actual indicator, I am actually telling you what trades you need to be looking for every single week in the market, and you will be able to put buy and sell stops on those trades. If you want to know more about how I have a better explanation on exactly what to do with these trade setups, there will be a video again over here in the right of the screen, and it will be in the description below of this video. Now you can see here I've been telling the traders in the VIP section that have NEO the indicator, you're going to be looking for buy continuations on AUD CAD, you're going to be looking for sell continuations on AUD NZD, and so on. AUD USD, you was looking for buy continuations. Euro CHF, you was looking for buy continuations. Now again, I'm going to go into NEO so you've got a better understanding of this, but once you have this product, you don't have to worry about what to trade. This is how amazing this is. Okay, so now we are on NEO the indicator expert advisor, and this is an actual piece of art and it's only getting better. This is not a lagging indicator. This indicator here is designed to trade price action, and with every single update I do, it's only getting better and better. The first thing we need to pay attention to over here is you can put a list of any single currency pair you want in the market, and the maximum you can go up to is 26 on one tab, but you can just open another chart and add some more pairs to that one on a NEO dashboard. We can also see that you can change between any single pair by just clicking the buttons over here, but we're going to go back over to USD CHF. So now that we're on USD CHF, what I want to pay attention to here is what is the trend in the market. So this is going to show you when price action is literally breaking a trend based on the Fibonacci being high or low on a daily time frame, and when price action is actually reversing from those points for a change in momentum in the market, which is a new possible trend. We can see here USD CHF had a possible buy trend from 20 days ago, so this will change every single day and it will go up in the value by 1 number. So by market open this will be 21, and we can see it is bullish. So my bullish color is gray and my bearish color is green. Now if I collapse this dashboard over here, I would obviously be looking for buy trade setups. I'm currently on the 4-hour time frame, and this is NEO strategy 2. Like I said, you can pay attention to the video in the description below to see even more about this. After, what we can see in front of us here is a daily break of structure. Now this is perfect because NEO actually has a multi-time frame break of structure system. So again, I'm on the 4-hour chart, but I can see a daily bullish break of structure over here. After the break of structure happens, I'm waiting for a support or resistance area to turn into a turncoat. Now this was a previous resistance area on NEO which was automatically displayed. It turned into a turncoat area, meaning that an old resistance became a new support. All I had to do is, before price even broke through this area, as long as there was a daily break of structure which was bullish, I can now set my pending order here for a buy stop, which would have been on this level here, 85889, and my stop loss would have just been down here, which is 85357. This gives me about 53 pips, and what I'm looking for is a 1-to-1 trade. So with this 1-to-1 trade, I can see that I made more than 53 pips going forward. So this was a winning trade setup for a buy trade. That is literally it, guys and girls. You want the trend on NEO to be in check, you want a daily break of structure, and if the daily break of structure is in your same trend, you just literally want to set yourself a pending order at the top of this box for a buy and your stop loss at the bottom, and you're going for a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Now we're paying attention to NZD USD, and you can see this is a bearish trend, and this was from 20 days ago. Now with this being 20 days ago, what we can actually see here is that price action has actually now managed to create a daily bearish break of structure here, and again you would have had your pending order right on this level here for the sell stop, and you would have had your stop loss right above here for about 28 pips. This is actually what I call NEO strategy 2, and it's really just that simple, using pending orders with the confluence I just explained with NEO, and this is what it's going to to enable you to be able to pass any prop firm account. Now look at this one, guys and girls. And what I've done here is I've put in the amount of winners we've had in the last 10 to 11 weeks, which was 35 winners, and we had 10 losers. Now I asked ChatGPT what is my win rate based on this, and of course it's done the mathematical calculation to break it all down for me, and eventually it's told me that my win rate is approximately 77%. So over the last 10 weeks in the market, my win rate has been 77.7%, going 1-to-1 R with buy and sell stops using the Neo Indicator Expert Advisor. Wow, that's all I can say. Now I've gone even a step further just to help you guys and girls out. So the next thing I've done is gone over to my FTMO equity simulator, and I have taught you guys and girls about this before in previous videos. And let's say we've got a 100k account and we are looking to pass this account. So let's set our win rate up here with 77.7% win rate, and we are going for a 1-to-1. So we've got a 1-to-1 R here. We can see that we're looking at 100 trades as well, and 10 probabilities of whether we are going to pass the challenge phase on these prop accounts or even manage to pass and then eventually get onto a live account and become profitable. You can do 3 different risk percentages. I'm going to show you a low risk, medium risk, and a high risk. So a low risk will be 0.25 right over here. And we're just going to run this in the equity simulator, and you can already see the equity curve is looking pretty amazing. So when we do come over to here with 0.25 and in 100 trades actually set up, we can see that we never actually blew this account. Most prop firms, they literally get you to a point where you need to be able to pass at least 10% on that account, even if it's phase 1. So obviously if you can make 10%, you're going to make phase 2 5% or whatever they ask for. It's usually 10 and 5% for phase 1 and phase 2. But sometimes you might have a prop firm account like I do, Funded Trading Plus, which actually only do 10% for one phase pass, and then you get a live account. And you can see here, you never ever blew an account, and you actually on average you would always pass this account at $114,000. Now when we scroll down here, you can see the consecutive winners you had in a row, which was 21, and 4 losers. So it is pretty much adding up to what we kind of did have with Neo. So you can see how realistic this data is actually forming at the moment. Now we can see here our max drawdown was 0.94, our average drawdown was 0.30, and then our average max drawdown was 0.67. Okay, so now we're going to increase this risk to 50% right now, and this is the medium risk, and we're going to run this. And now we've ran that simulation, and you can see here, so basically here you've gone far past what you can do on the account, and this is 100 trades again, and you can see on average you're at $128,000. So right now again you can see we've never blown the account out of 10 probabilities, even if you did low risk and you did medium risk as well. And we can see here at the moment you had 28 winners in a row, 4 losers, and you had a max drawdown of 1.94, an average drawdown of 0.58, and an average max drawdown of 1.38. So you were still able to pass this account. Again, remember, this is within 100 trades, just so you understand that. And now let's just increase this to make this a bit faster for us, just to see how fast we can grow this account. And then we're going to go to the high risk now, which is at 1% per trade risk. And now we can see this. So right over here, we are now at 152,000. So this is how you'd be able to pass your account. So of course, if you only need 10,000, you would be able to get to that point very quickly if you was able to do this. I would always say stay between the low risk and the medium risk, and that would be better for you. If you actually go down here, you can see how the drawdown becomes a little bit more now. So your max drawdown now is 4.95%. So for some prop firm accounts, that might actually blow the account. It just depends on what the drawdown limit is. Some firms have 3%, some firms have 5%, some firms have 6%. It depends on what prop firm you're actually with. You can see your average drawdown was 1.05%, your average max drawdown was 2.5%, your consecutive winners was 20, and your consecutive losers was 4. Now, if you actually go down here, it will tell you eventually when you would pass the account. So it would only take you around about 22 trades. Obviously, 22 trades needing to go towards a 1-to-1 risk to reward, and you would be able to pass your prop firm account if it's 10% for you to pass phase 1, or of course if it's phase 2 it would be a bit less. So that kind of works it out for you there. You can do the same type of thing I've just done over here on the lower risk if you just change your percentage here, and that will show you, if you scroll across this area, how many trades on average it should take you in order for you to pass your prop firm account, so you can understand better when you actually be able to get your live account. So guys and girls, I hope you love this explanation of what I've just shown you here, and I've literally shown you with proof and data exactly how you would be able to pass any prop firm account using this indicator. There is nothing but evidence on this, and you do not need to stress or worry. This is not me just pushing a product. It is 100 GBP for lifetime access, and that comes with all of the VIP services as well. If you are confused about anything, just join my Discord or join my Telegram and give me a message, and I should be able to help you further. Let me know if you need my assistance. On that note, it is your boy Big John, and I am signing out. Easy.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.